Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Salesflare, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you email somebody directly from your Salesflare account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to email somebody from your Salesflare account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that jumping back and forth between your CRM and your email can be time consuming, but with Salesflare, you can send emails directly from your CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there. But I've already logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to email one person from your Salesflare, there's a couple of different ways you can do that. The first and easiest way is you can click over here on the left, this contacts button. It looks like a little, once you do that, you're going to see all of your contacts in Salesflare. So just look for the person you want to send an email to. So for example, this one right here, and then off to the right, you're going to see this blue envelope. Click on there. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up the email composer, so you can go ahead and send an email directly to that person. Another way you can find the direct email composer. Let me close this down. Okay, closed it down, and off to the left, you're going to click on accounts. Once you've done that, click on the account that you want to email. So for example, this one right here. Once you click there, off to the right, it's going to show information about that account that you have. And then if we scroll down to contacts, you're going to see all of your contacts within that company. And then off to the right of their name, you can click on the blue envelope. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to email directly from your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.